Hi everyone, my name is Vic. I'm a software engineer at the hackathon Vietnam. I'm very happy to have a chance to join the Hack the Kitty hackathon, and today I want to show you my project called Meowtrix. Hope you like it. You can find more details about me via LinkedIn, Instagram, and my website. So, what is Meowtrix? Meowtrix is a web app that I built to help you find your lost cats and dogs. Every year, many pets go missing. We as an owner of them, we want to fight very quickly to prevent anything bad happens. We post to the social media, go around the street to find them, but still not finding them. This is really sad. That's the main reason why I built Matrix. I hope that with the power of technical and also AI, people can find the lost pets. So how Matrix work? The system work in 3 tiny steps. First, the user posts information about the lost pet, include a photo, a bin on a map, and a few words about the lost pet. Second, the AI will look at the photo, the information, and it will check the color, the pattern, and the necessary information to find for the similar. The third one, people nearby will get a small alert. They can have to look for your lost pet, and they can tell you if they see. That's it. These are some key features of Matrix platform. First one, the photo sniffer. It is the AI photo matcher. Look at your photo, upload about your lost pet, and analyze, compare the color, the pattern, and shape to suggest the similar pets in the platform. The live map. You can look at in this live map to see the nearby sightings in real time. Mew alerts. Every time the system found a similar pet to your lost pet, it will notify you so you can get back your pet. The last one is the happy points. So every time a neighbor, the people have you to find your lost pet, they will get a bond and they can get rewards from that. Yeah, the web app is made with love, yeah, for sure, and with a few tools like Next.js, React, Matplotlib, Superbase, and Gemini. The Gemini is used for the photo matching, photo snipper that I mentioned on the previous slide, Superbase for the database, Next.js, React for the web, and Matplotlib for the live map. And thank you a lot for our sponsor. Aikido keep our system very secure and safety. The temporal have to send alert at the right time, and the Kiro helped me to plan and coding this website. So let's go to the most interesting part of the presentation. This is the demo of the platform. This platform I have already hosted it on Basel, and this is the link. You can also go directly to this link and test the platform yourself. Hope you enjoyed. Yes, we go quickly with the landing page. Here the landing page I designed following the Hack the Kitty theme. You can see here a lot of gifts, create to user friendly user interface and easy to follow with not much text inside. And we focus on what this app helping user will find the lost cat and dog. See here. Yes, I try to make it very friendly and cutie to make user happy. And if user want to report a lost cat or dog, they can come to this one, start your report. And if they do not have an account, they can create their account. But to save time, I will do directly the login in. Yes, after user log in to the website, the first screen will be the dashboard. So the dashboard here will show all the report, the bags tracked, the active search, the online helpers, and also the map. In this map, user can see all the current mixing and sighting report. Very easy. So from this map, user can easily find the bed that looks similar and near the lost location. Also here I already integrate the probability zones and also the activity heat map. The probability is showing that where the missing bet may be now. It will be calculated under one algorithm I have already included in the documentation. So with the time flies, this circle will be bigger. And so also this is the activity heat map. If a location contains many reports, it will be more colorful. That's it. On this page, all the numbers will be updated real time. You can view the numbers of the helpers online now, and also all the reports that you have already created. On this page, you will see all the created post reports of the missing and sightings, and you can also do the future as well. User can report a missing pet on this page. In order to save your time, I have already prepared the data to make really quick. User input the name and the description of the pet. Input the best photo. Input the location that the pet was missing. And the time that the user lost the pet. Input it yesterday. In continue is the important information. This is the ownership verification. The owner can use this information to ensure that he is the owner, and he can receive again the pet after he found it. Really good. Head catching process. Create report. Okay, the report already created, and user can also find the report created on this web page. See it, and you can see this session that after the AI detected, it will find all the information about this pet used for comparing. After user created, this pet also include on the map. Here you can see this is the one that we have just created. And small notice here, every time a report missing is created, one notification will be sent to around helpers for they easy to have to find this pet. You can see that this is the notification of the case that we just created. Yeah, and they can also see the pet here. This map is updated. With this form, user can pick the pet type, cat or dog, input all the information. With the location, they can also ping on the map or just by enter the location. Pick it. The helper, if they see a pet, they can go to this page to report as that they see one pet to our, for example, I will post it here, location that he see the pet, put the time and post. One notification is to figure out, and you can see that one notification the match detected. User can check it out to see whether it matched the missing pet. Also, the one who reported missing also get a notification to find out. So you can see the AI detected about 73% match, and here's all the details. If they see this match is bad, it can claim. And also in the map here, the user can see it update as well. You can see these two cases are the one that I have just created, and it say that this match to each other. And yes, if the reporter see this is the case that they are missing, they can click claim. this bet or not. If this is the case, I click claim. And one notification will be sent to both, and one email will be sent to both as well. And they can set a meeting to meet each other and make sure that they are the real owner of the bet. Here, a notification is sent as well. Someone claim the bet you found. The name of the owner is updated to claim in progress, and the one who report the sighting can update to not a match because they verify that this is not the owner. And also, the reporter of the missing can update the status as well, or as reunited if they see that bet is the real bet that they are missing or not. And this is the mail that the system sent to the owner. You can view the details here and the contact of the finder. Here I will demo with the happy case that this is the bet that the user found. I mark it reunited. Okay, notification sent, overlord reunited. And yet one more important thing, that after a finder have the owner to find the cash, he will get 10 points and plus to this leaderboard, and they can be rewarded after that. On this page, a user can see all the match suggestions corresponding to their missing or sighting reported, and also the score breakdown of each case. For more detail, they can click inside and compare the information between missing and sighting, the matching features, before they click to claim or just ignore. This is the leaderboard page. Here user can see all the top helpers of this platform. Here the number one is already have the 30 points after they have made 3 reunions. They can share all the leaderboard to the social media as well. The finder can also see the profile here. The board has already increased, and in the leaderboard they can check it out that they are on the top, and also share to social media that they do a good works, for example. Yeah, that's the idea of this platform. I already have the theme, also light theme and dark theme, following the design of the hack the kitty. User can update the location as well. And one feature that I don't want to be missing to mention is that I use the temporal to do a feature called escalate search protocol. So what it means, first, after the missing report was created, after 8 hours, it will check that is the report already solved. If not, it will notify nearby informants to come in together to help the owner to find the bet. After 12 hours, if this case is not resolved, it will trigger an event, generate missing poster, to help the owner easily to print it out and ask the neighborhood or people on the road to easily find the bet. Yes, I will do more about this feature because it's quite important. And new workflow is running, as you can see. So this is only for testing, so I update the time to only 3 minutes to make it easier. So you can see here that after 3 minutes, it will trigger an event called to check that is this overlord result If not, it will notify nearby informants comes in together to have fighting for this case. You can see here that it will not notification people here. One notification that a cat named Tom was reported missing nearly 0.7 kilometer from where you keep an eye out. So they can have together to check on the map and come together to find the bat. And another event will be 5 hours after 2 minutes. It is the generating PDF reported. Let's wait. Yes, you can see here that it already triggered the event generate missing poster after 2 minutes. User can check the PDF file in the report. Now this one. Here I think. Yes, this is the PDF missing poster already created. User can easily print it out and ask for support. And following is the next event that escalated to notify people around 5 kilometer comes in to help. Yeah, that's the main idea of this function. It will have to find the bat easier, and more people are aware of this case to come is to have the owner bring the bat home again. And one more feature that I use this temporal is if the user not claim already claim the pet, but the status is not updated after 1 day, it will trigger a notification to notify that you have to set up a meeting with the fighter to pick your pet, or just update the pet the status of the case, market the result. In the meantime, it will go through the tool Kiro. I already use it to tap to planning for the project. Here it is. Here, I think lost for support from Kiro. I use is about to out of credits. And one more about the Kiro. I also use Kiro on my coding to check for the security and vulnerability of my shortcode. You can see here if I order issues and have me fixed by create a pull request, validate it, and I merge to my code. And also I install it on the extension called Kiro here, and every time I make change, it will automatically scan my shortcode to detect the issues. It's pretty cool. So I make a small installation instruction how to install this shortcode on your local machine. So the step 1 is you clone the repo from GitHub and run npm install in the terminal. And I have already prepared the environment variable example, and you can copy this, get your own subpage and Gemini IPA keys and secret variable input to the shortcut, and run npm run dev on the terminal. Open localhost at port 3000 and try it. Very simple. And I have already prepared the readme file on the shortcode, and you can follow it. It's very detailed. So that's all for my project. I just want to thank you, organizer of this hackathon, and also the sponsor Kiro, Aikido, and Temporal. With a lot of support from you, I have a chance to work on a lot of technologies and add it to my project. And last but not least, if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to ask me about this project. Thank you.